In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon Prime membership. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to Prime Video or Amazon Prime. So in here, go ahead and sign in to your account. Now, click on the top right corner of your screen, then click on Account and Settings. In here, go ahead and click on Edit on Amazon beside Prime membership to be able to edit your Prime membership on Amazon. This will redirect you to Amazon. Now in here, go ahead and click on Manage Membership under your profile name. Under this, go ahead and click on Membership, Update, Cancel, and more. Now go ahead and click on End Membership to be able to cancel your membership on Amazon Prime. Now click on Continue to Cancel to be able to continue canceling your membership on Amazon Prime. And that's how you can simply cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.